Hi everyone, welcome to the intensive course in HIV and aging. My name is June Sangalankarn and I'm one of the co-directors for the course. In this video, we'll talk about each week's activities in detail, and also I will be showing you how to use the various technical platforms to complete each week's tasks. The first posting always has a table of contents listing and explaining all the units that will be covered that week. For example, here's what week 1's table of contents look like. You'll see that it lists all the units for that week, which are posted right below in numerical order. Let's start with week 1. In week 1, we will help you optimize your learning for the subsequent weeks. We will cover how to sign up for small groups, how to use Google Classroom, and how to sign up for technical office hours, and how to participate in icebreaker activities. Here's how you will sign up for small groups. First, you will review the 12 learning cases in PDF, which is attached below. Here's an example of a case. You will read the case and see if this is a topic that you're interested in. After you've picked the topic, you will go to this document called Small Group Topic, and then you will click on it. Then you will put your name and the topic that you would like to lead a small group discussion on. And you want to put your name and your chosen topic down by the deadline, which is Wednesday, March 9th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then you will sign up for 3 small group discussions. You will have 2 small group discussions during week 3 and week 4 to discuss 2 of the 12 case studies below. One's as a group leader and the other time as a group participant. Then you will have a 3rd small group discussion during week 7 to discuss your capstone project. So you will need to sign up for 3 small groups total. Click each of the 3 links one by one, and this will take you to Doodle Poll. You will enter your name and then click the times that work for you. If there are times that you think might work but you're not sure, you can click it twice to indicate that maybe this time would work. For each of these doodle polls, please choose all the time slots that you can make. This will increase the likelihood that we are able to schedule you into 3 sessions. For example, if you pick 1 slot per week that no one else picks, you will not be scheduled because no other learners can come to that time slot to have the discussion with you. When you're done picking your time, click send. Once you've completed all 3 doodle pollings, then just sit back and you will receive your group assignments through email by Wednesday, March 16 at 1 p.m. Your small group assignments can be found in the small group topic document at the bottom of the posting here, and it will be under the schedule tab, and it will show you the date and time, who the instructor is going to be, and what the topic is going to be that you are assigned. You can also see the calendar of your small group here in the small group info posting under general information. We recommend that you create a reminder on your personal calendar for the small groups to make sure that you don't miss it. Important. Please note that you must complete all 3 doodle polls before Wednesday, March 9th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to receive group assignments and quizzes. Quizzes are required for continuing medical education credit and for your certificate. Also, if you sign up for small groups without picking a topic, you will be assigned to join as learners for both weeks, and you will not lead any discussion groups. You will still be assigned quizzes, and you can still receive CME and certificate. Students who fail to complete all 3 doodle polls before Wednesday, March 9th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time will not be assigned quizzes and therefore cannot receive CME or the certificate. But you're welcome to sit in small groups led by others for learning purposes. Now, Unit 1.2 will have videos that explains how to use all the technical platforms for this week. If you still have questions after reading the postings and watching the videos, feel free to sign up for the How to Office Hours by going into Unit 1.3. Click on the Office Hours orientation document here, and then put your name under the desired column. For example, if you have technical questions, then put your name here. But if you just have logistic questions about how the course works, then you would put your name under a logistical column. When it's time that you signed up, then you want to join Zoom using this link, or you can go to the general Zoom website and type in this meeting ID and then click join to get on the Zoom session. We also encourage you to do the icebreaker activity. You can do this by using the class comment box. Week 2 is the introduction week, where you will do a self-assessment and submit a personal clinical challenge. For the self-assessment, you will click and fill out the introduction form. For the personal clinical challenge, follow the instructions on how to write up your personal clinical challenge and submit it using the class comment here. Click done on the right when you're done. And don't forget to fill out the feedback form at the end of every week, located here.